Starting nursing school feels like, well, it feels like starting the rest of your life. It's exciting, empowering, even a little scary. But at West Coast University, Texas, I am never alone. WCU-Texas is a brand new campus designed for students just like me and you. From the moment I walked onto campus, I knew this is where I was meant to be. Because there's no wait list, I was able to start studying when I was ready. I get hands-on access to skill labs where I'm mastering blood draws and other fundamental nursing skills. And the simulation labs truly feel like real hospital rooms. I get to practice using high-fidelity mannequins that act just like real patients. They cry, their pupils dilate, and get this, they even give birth. It's a safe practice environment where I can make mistakes so that when I step into the real world, I feel confident and ready. WCU-Texas has given me the support I need to earn my degree. You don't have to take my word for it. Come check out the campus yourself. It's right where you're meant to be.